He's getting ready just in case she needs to jump out the window. Missy, is there something out there? I know you were highly disgruntled. Everything okay, Missy? Missy. Ooh, you hear him? Yep, they cover in both sides. Of course, we gotta get Vader in here. Vader, what is that? What is it, girl? Oh God, there's a truck outside. It's gonna murder us. See? We survived. Oh my gosh, we actually survived. What are you doing? Vader. Surgeon's gonna cry about it because he's a big baby. He lets the women make sure they take care of the house. He's just crying like a big old baby. All's good. We're all protected.